this out. This is the new JL-SbarHarness, designed specially for Jeep Wranglers JL, JLU, JT, which is the Gladiator. This is an easy way to install your Ds18 soundbar without the hesitation of all those wires going through. Perfect use for the JL, JLU, JT. Reduces the time of installation. Plug and play installation design. Copper OFC wires. Easy to connect. And these are the stuff that's included. Let's open up and see what we got. Here we have the JL-SbarHarness. We got a manual. And here we have the whole system. Now, this system is easy. All you have to do is wire up your soundbar, your mids, your tweeters, or your speakers and tweeters, your RGB lights. You disconnect this connector to make it easy. You run all your wires through, and then this harness goes directly to your amplifier. With this type of installation, it should make everything much easier for you guys to get back on the road. Now let's check out the manual. Here we have the Ds18 soundbar. Here's how we recommend the overall view, amplifier installation, and how to connect the soundbar inside. All this is pretty easy, and you can do it by yourself. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for more Ds18 videos.